Hey everybody, Chase with Canco. Wanting to answer a very common question that we're getting, and that's how to get the hub out of the back of the can for whatever reason, if you're wanting to clean it or if you're wanting to change your hub to a different type. So all of our cans come hub compatible. It's the 1.375 by 24, but we send them all with the taper lock system in it. So the taper lock system is an AR-15 castle nut design. So the AR-15 castle nut wrench is what you use to remove that. So the other thing that I'll be using is going to be our vice jaws. You can print these vice jaws off with a 3D printer. They're printed out of either PLA or PETG. They are the 1.5 inch diameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the can. This is our Canco TAC 36. Placing it inside the vice jaw. That vice jaw needs to be on the rib section of the can. If you put it on the back here, you have you've taken a chance of warping the can so that the threads may not work properly. So the strongest part of the can is the rib section. So we're putting the vice jaws there. We're using our bench vise. We're going to tighten it down. All right, so using the AR-15 castle nut wrench, set it in the slots. It's pretty tight. We've set them in there at 50 foot-pounds. So sometimes you do have to use a hammer or some sort of impact to get that broke loose. It doesn't take much. I'm not using a whole lot of force to hit it with that hammer. So now I've got the hub out of the can. And as you can see, it's the open end of the back of the can. So now you can change to whatever hub system that you wanted to run. Now to put that back in, we're going to use our Canco bench vise plate, assembly plate. We do sell these. They're 25 bucks. Or most of our dealers who carry our cans also have them already in the store, so they can do this for you at your local dealer. So we're going to put that back into the vise. I recommend that you use some sort of anti-seize on your threads so that you don't run into an issue with carbon lock and having problems getting it off later. We'll just thread that back in by hand. So as I showed you with our bench plate, you've got the 1 3/8 socket on one side, and then you've got the castle nut wrench on the other. I'm going to set the can in the castle nut wrench side. I've got my 1 3/8 socket on my torque wrench. So we get it tight. And that's it. It's tightened back up to 50 foot-pounds. Hub's back in the can, and it's ready to shoot with whatever muzzle device you choose to use. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.